Hello, 101.5 FM.
Dr. Charles Jamana, aka Dr. China. China for two na be pia hanom and no pay. Dr. China, sana do na freno. Na otutu anamon say obeye MPP photo samfo. Na maybe HM, now director of finance and administrator or MPP or a former deputy ambassador to Chinese Republic, former branch chairman NPP or China. And Ghana ni Dr. China Marciano pay.
Major so many of them.
Now there is winning free when you can. That also.
I say I have more of a habit. Say the baby could be no na I so dear man phone so I so show one day.
Okay. Now me feel say kabia unko out for sadia obi amel. Anyway, you can Dr. China, I'm say makeka ni na say bia kem.
Onya waka na.
Where you Ghana ni?
Of course.
Who free Probeso?
Of course. Kumasi Crudium Hayan ye wo me wo Kumasi apri. Ohanye tete me eye kwada so abato empesia so na me ma me ofri tikrum ejusu tikrum.
I see.
Na me papa nso so ne fa efi offenso enti nia etieno enti me de we be say local boy.
Max, yes, will be a nomination for you can say filing and other things, but I said all over the place. Oh, I did over so national treasure. Now
I think so my di kan chia etifo omotie me titiriwana wotie free kwada so abato mpechia so Echia me constituency chairman Bonabodi ni party mpenifo awo constituency ni nyina me sanso mi chia me MP Honorable Dr. Kingsley Nyako any former MP Honorable Dr. Samiu Nyama na me wo Asante Mantem hai na me chia Council of Elders openi osai 17 dano ane ne dom nyina penifo omo je party ni tata wa hanom mechia regional minister mechia nana nkansa bodu opening kusibu afum
and said the young sorry you the kumasi fo nyina na obo hudi me so de memele me so e brother me de adwuma Dr. China
entia no ehuhia empanimfo yi onim adwuma wana mabubu odi ni wana minyambubu odi ayama party
enti obebodi abechia
eye dia eye dwumaso every say sade bia beti shem na ewo asechire ni say ebima team fifre ebima bre omojani ebima bre omwidie mu ansa na party ebedum pempenso edue ebimu call exile ebimu call prison ebimu ton mo japade enu nti se ne party edu baby edu a ne nisi erefi de biara da nya edikanfo ne beyeye ne mpempi na ya twen saafo ne firi mu ana ene yakomo ye fefefe da bi omoti ase ya omunya mfiri enchenko ya ewosie die nidi ese na fata na brebia ye nya akonya ye bondin ye kakire won se papa mama nyamo ye no eno nene agiga na esi ho nyamo ye no eno nene ama party na gina ne nanso a aya akono ma obi aba beka ho bie enu ti na ya ebodi no
okay Mate why deputy ambassador to China pen hallmark bay and dear footprints and a uja wa ntcc yentime hwe wadim ka party no sika
na se ne ye friend say me dia minim se ne ye betwetwe nko na sa na enya campaign ye babeye ye bi se
enkomo na de ye
na ye emedasi ye ka China enkomo on say ye call China no abra ye free Ghana call China no na Ghana any China nkita hudi abafom for some strange reasons na wo fom enunti no omampani ka kire me ne me boss ambassador Edward Boatin say monya nya mo betumi bia na mo mpegem na indeed team ayekoto no ho foreign service team ayekoto mo ho together with the leadership yen penny no no Ambassador Boateng editu dwa ma nkitahudie no Ghana ne China nkitahudie no ekompempenso bi currently as we speak is one of the very best. Now in diplomacy no se woni oman bi nkitahudie ekonkan a you experience high level diplomatic visit. You know kasaya Ghana mampeni akọ China na bedi echire akọ China, first lady akọ China, second lady akọ China, chief of staff akọ China, a number of cabinet ministers akọ China. And you know in diplomacy no who bibi say ya na who say indeed Ghana ne China anyankofa no akosum pempenso bi a emu aye din yie. That is a very key step or milestone in diplomacy. Na eno pa ho a yamana nso ho. Ye caught China ni hu se Ghana fo bi wo ho no ma o ma biebie nwuma. Na enam se yo bi ma nso ninti no akwanya na e wo se omunya na omutumi o nwumam na sa akwanya ni ni ho. And for the very first time in the history of Ghana embassy ne Ghana ne China diplomatic relations no ye bibi sonko ye frɛ Ghana fo ya o mobiebie nwuma nyina ene wona wo idea so peso bie nwuma daachi ebehia ene ekofa Chinese fo nso so ebaaye ene di won go dem se moni nkita ho monwene kwa mo befa so mo benya mo be ye partnerships mo be extend mo mataban se ne be ya obia benya no nyonko ho mfaso. And indeed aso abapa bebre Ghana for dodo na no manya opportunities a o matire omodwumem ebi mu so atumi form partnerships ebi mu so atumi pejo omodwumem na dum pempenso a anka would have taken them ordinarily about 20 years to get there. Yamana nso ho ye hu say no aye successful aboa Ghana fo aye nwuma wo China no yesi da bi ene ye be ma Ghana fo nso so aye nwuma wo Ghana omo pese omunya partnerships in China nso so a benefit. Enuti ye fa Ghana for businesses every hanom e de won call China and ye fa China businesses e kuku dan for nso so pa. In fact enompo de MMDCs ni bi ka ho ani CEOs ni bi ka ho and ye ni omu nyina akohia ye se musumo ni nkomo Ghana for de nom ye na ye small to medium scale momo de ye large entities nti muni nkomo enyoma pa bebre na afi mu aba na a striking way aba chese ebrebia ne kase ade a eboa ne ye the technological transfer apiepie mu ye koye no ye hu se dodo na omo fi Ghana eko China eko kranioma na omo de aba ti aka chom se dabi ade bia wo be fa free ha bia no ye in stages untumi nkoso da ma me fa finished product enunti no say 5 steps envan say ade ehewuti a o headphone ye ehewuti fefefe enye fiti ya ne aye any stages ye wonya oil foam no nia oil cable no nia oil yi na da so no nia obehihye ene nia obe package enunti ene nipa na ana factory na okofa nyoma fi no ne nkasa na almost semi finished product na enfidie na efidie ye de last 1 or 2 steps no to become home na kwaje ho training into the semi finished products na mawa obagana no add value to it utumi add value
no I complete
na wa complete no send e be ya once so obe qualify to export it and no ya dia abonko fo bebre if se kanene na toothpick ni handkerchief ni socks nyina ni e kra
Dr. China ye da so kra ba
eni omo pese omo kra no mo kra if se krom ya
but
krom ya oh my God na mu ye yes anyoma ni nyina
doc idea ben na say no wo person wo dey experience ne wo background no for the party mate say mo next year mo be kwai wonya national treasurer obey eno na person be case we direct idea be ti na of all the positions national treasurer
senior medical aka no campaign mrene so amesan ma ba ofidie so na ma betudwa but wakofa ba die ye mbo so kakra On say can he be a
point of Mami correct you kakra. If you didn't hear Dr. Sekwame, despite the
I was so when I was him
and would have also Dr. Sekwame, FD, what is to be
Amati.
So can say na
Dr. FD, what is so only meeting
very good.
And I want to say frame me. Say, and your doctor to frame it. Doctor, baby, I want to pay a yetiao, pa. Na ni America no ene se emre bi atwam ko party to nsa frame e call headquarters se menko hwe party sikasem so wo headquarters. In fact na ye time na party no ahokyere kakraba na party no aye hija kakranti na nyoma nyina aye obi be se na confusion na aye basa enu nti ye to nsa frame na ye call headquarters na ye call ye no so nyame nchade team I got to more headquarters staff I got to more they were very cooperative. It to me STA affairs it to me to sikasem Emma sumdwe by Emma calm by Emma bibiara enya high morale at the year adwuma esefata and no eka ho bi ene nkunimdie ba 2016 na yede ba bemu yede ba bema yesuma me se me nko China na me so me ko boa aban Ghana ewo China. Na mu hona na me yes me pese meba na maba sum party na ya to akoso aboa ma party no etumi agina na se bi se me gidi ye pa se NPP aban any the only political party in a current political dispensation a ebetumi asesa Ghana ama Ghana be kra behwe enye se me bo mi sremu na aka na mum me can based on past historical records. NDC under Jerry Rawlings from 92 to 2001. MPP under J. Kufuor from 2001 to 2009. NDC under Mills Mahama from 2009 to 2017. And MPP under Akufo-Addo from 2017 to date. What the tutu and uchutra kesi enia. Who say indeed party ba kubi dan shonko eba Omaini tumpon eba omaini konenim eba private sector etumi develop there is real growth. The other party no so oba obo ne homode but what the tutu ania ba ko konenim sim ba ko enti ma meka se NPP betumi aye dia na enye o se ye ni betumi bia ma NPP aban tina ban mu che more than 4 consecutive terms.
Doc, but the question is why do you think that of all the positions of
I don't America no nya o question I want
to time na me dey here argument remember how me kind mo manifesto ha what na me busa question Doc
Ken assembly obekan bia na yesi utu mra no aye den wa kire
eti mo na the whole world we are the best party but why do you want to become the treasurer of the party?
Sanya beya party ni betina bemwache. Party ni betumi atena bemwacha. Ejina party na hoden so. Na party ya hoden so no ejina party sikasem.
That's right.
Se party sikasem entoto ye koyi a sanya meka na ebepo ma party no ayeden. Ebepo ma party na etumi atena bem. Eno nti 2018 na bra na me wa kansi nim no. Me make a number of proposals. Me did ye say a beboa party no. If we say a mamoni dear obia jitum say NPP to me bumini here, NPP bumini here, NDC for benefit, MPP for benefit, and only a memo. But beyond the governance, no, it was say NPP as a man yoko, a year new mama ni party ma. Send your bay a party mano, ebe benefit using the party's own resources. And Tinyedi Kami proposal say. Party ni seti a bibi a friend business incubation fund. Eye futuo bi a constituency bia mu ebeye adwuma na constituency mpanimfo ahwe constituency ni mu na ma select party ma omo ba hohoden party ma omo tio won dues party ma wo meetings na ma won training ye wie training na ye dis resources account ho me kaye ma me no mo odwuma mo didwa bo ho na opedwe tire na dwumem obi wo ho taxi driver anaso ye driver enso oni car ntotwi spare mo obi oye adwuma go obi botom safoi ebia no ko pesika 20-30,000 ato car kitu bi na odi aye uber na taxi atwi obi wo ho nso so a oye mason oye carpenter oye electrician open fidi odi be ye adwuma oye mobile phone open modern gadgets ya obetumi dia diagnose no otumi aye adwuma ne yie obi wo ye fita open fidie safo yi nyina ye safo a omo ye party ma omo boa party no enu nti beyond choboy no e was a party no nso tumi boa wo eno any sa business incubation fund ya ye kan wansemi a party ni hwe constituency ni mu na ma select one ni ama on training nya se bra na be dis kan keke da bi the more training bi a ya ma resources no ni monitor e ba ne sa na kin oni mi ebesie se ya ani adwoa e wo polling station na ya hu se adwoa anti adwoa enya sika ni bi e bi anti adwoa enya 20,000 bi dia ko bi boutique fofora kan de ho anti adwoa ya be ko bi se anti adwoa ne ba ne say oh me come party meeting MPP meeting me ko bi me do say ye tua no bosumi bi amesumi tua e na party a select me ama me sa we e be my anti ya so ahase abon ho hye e be kenya anti ya sa pepepe e na be kenya nkofo a aka polling stations over 38,000 polling stations no eno ani ade a me gidie pa se ebeboa Kenya party ma na etumi dia call victory eno epa ho a yesanso make proposal be a friend of human resource empowerment program yes is a party ne percent na ba mu che dia na wo se adwene party ne da che ho eno nyina ne se enne no ye behwe party ma omo peso mo kosua ade omo peso mo ye further studies na ye the party si kama on scholarship obi ntina nkran anase regional officer nye sa selection no ye constituency mpanimfo constituency chairman woni wo team mo na mo betina se fi mo na mo hwe party ni so constituency no na mo hwe omo bom ho modin wo constituency ni mu omo co meetings omo get involved in activities omo tu omo dues eni nti se kwame ehun se yaw enya bia kwame so be sha se o committee obe sha se o bon humode o party ni and so ho esa make the third proposal a friend of political mentorship program enu ni nyina se kire ni se constituency mpanifo be hwe constituency ni mu na party ma omo bon humode a omo pese omunya practical leadership and political skills no ya fa won na the one attach political offices se mon koye internship 3 to 6 months na mo koya party be fa ho ka nyina na mo back to mo constituency amotumi di aboa na ken wo hwemu nsusu a constituency bi wo ho a obi wo ho a ono no onye business enu nti business incubation fund yi onya mu chefa obi wo ho a ono susu onka so peso okọ school enu nti scholarship yi onya mu chefa obi nsu ka so peso okọ internship enu nti membership mentorship program no onya mu chefa nanso sa nipa no ono na wura kromo na obisa se me MPP ni bi fie ye do be ko ni fie san nipa no wakunu ho ama party no san nipa no bia nim se ye boss no kokrokodi wo kroma eyono sa maame no sa papa no sa branch ne sa baba wa no ono na wode party na pam ataye fra no ti safo no omukọ ahokyire mu a enisi ato omo ajeje mu enu nti ye make a fourth proposal of a welfare fund eno eya dia ye de be twitwage safo no e wa ahokyire mremu na the fifth point ye make a micro your friend monthly interest.
Well, you have lots of good plans and proposals.
My main family here in a minute, you know. And no, and see a menu case party na shasi a ASR, you know. Abosumi bia ye disikako a year constituency offices and regional offices echo running. Now currently as we speak, NPP is the only political party yen offices in all 275 constituencies are open for business during working hours. And ya dear that from a yadia ebua a Kenyan party a yadia a deepin kabimamin kabia memo.
Yes,
and ye did ye say about boy mail to me a breaking 18.
We saw welfare fund the Senate NDC for a fund being a pet. They say, Okoko bina upra, the background. Ye the same. Dabi. Yan try ma unko pra dabi minia. On sensema maken, o hwen sempof enum ya. Se yan fan se waba me constituency kwada so constituency. Na enum yi nyina ye adwuma. Enti wona wo pese wo bi adwuma, wona wo pese wo tre wo adwuma mu no, omo ko business incubation fund. Enti omo nya omo dia omo ye. Omo susu a mmante ne mmaba wo omo wie school omo pese omo kwoto omo adesua so. Omo so omo nya omo chefa, omo nya scholarships omo ko school. Omo susu a ebi omo pese omo rise politically omo nya connections the contact ye di omo ko omo ye internship na omo susu omo kafi a miensen
Omuni mu chefa bia no yenka sa agye se wapra nko a omo no party mpanimfo ma brama party as se omo ahomegye mu opinion leaders, council of elders, party man so omo ntumi nya adwuma no omo nya bebia omo so omo be benefit from welfare fund.
Me time aso na saade we nyina ya basic na mode be ya na abaga first kan omo ma send the text bibribi efa Dr. China enkomodi recommending me to me kind because we will be true. Enti doc, sorry, nipa bibribi na Dr. China Dr. China is best candidate but that's not what I'm doing.
Yeah,
but obaga first kan we
NPP as a political organization at any given point in time, without any reference whatsoever to incumbency, I was say ye to me raise kakran na $60 million. And until Osha 2018 some point di to Janegu awodo mienu. Yesi baako ye how we can effectively mobilize resources. Kwa be for so you betumi aboabo scan at the minimum $60 million a year. And an ye tosu mienu kwa you be first sika you be boaboa no you be use na affecting kofu bottom positively. If say beyond chobo you know, it was a party ma enya so mfa so won bottom beyond free SHS school feeding and nkeka ho no it was a party ma enso so nya won de e ba ne sa woni oman Ghana na be kon kan kire say pressure anka ruling party ma de be kwakoto aban resources so no e ma ne sa it is a party na nkasa ahihye ne nhihye aye ne nhihye ya odema party ma sa business incubation fund di ubetumi kura kan say MPP Maslock because a party dia aye the party sika na enya aban sika human resource empowerment programming ubetumi aka say MPP get fund a party sika enya de yama party ma sa pepepe political mentorship programming sa pepepe welfare fund eni ne keka ni nyina ye party sika party yatutu ye nioma ye na ye twese kasem kwan so na ye ma enhance transparency and accountability ba ye recognize one na wo tie sika ye train one na wo hwe sika so a mi wo gidie mapa per the nhihye de egu akwan mu say at the minimum you be raise $60 million at
all right Dr. China
and ye be party
but ye can Dr. China by training the way accountant and a financial do you have any financial background?
Of course, certainly. Dr. China, a medical doctor by training, or a business expert by training, or so a political financial expert by training.
I see.
And unti ye kani nyina bomwa na aya.
And you when you kasem the only problem crowd.
Oh, na say we sika ho adwuma oti bank no nkyere say you wouldn't have a problem say bia wo acho and BBC but obviously tembian obia epre say bibia o ye bia na be successful no anya akwanya aboa amanfo a e won in chain. That is what this is all about.
Enti wo call apro bono wo kwa wo ba say na no mo ye conference na obi o share how do you gauge the people saying I will gauge you more acceptance of you.
Oh, na media mekane say ye koshas ye wo Daboya, Savannah region. Ye kopie mu wa Upper West region. Ye kopie mu Bogatanga Upper East region. ETC mu na Lerigu North East region. Etwe mu ko Yendi. Eko Tolon in the northern region. Ebesin ko Atebu in the Kunu East. Eko mikoni nyina eko Goso Ahafo region. Eko Sunyane Bono region. ETC mu Sebiyo so in the western north region. Eko Takwa in the western region. Eko Greater Accra Natal. Efri Hoko Chebi eastern region. Etwe mu akosi Dambai in the Oti region. Efri Dambai Koho in the Volta region. Efri Hobesinko Cape Coast in central region. Eba Ashanti region. It has been spectacular. Na ni nyina ne say 4 years ago, time ananka yeba kensie no, ensempa ye di tu dwame no wa share na no pay. Party maji atumu se ensemi ye ensemo a ebeboa party no. Enu nti party ma ye krado se nyoma yi ba ebetumi aboa ema yetumi abreki 8 ne kire se 2024 ye kase ye kwa akwansi a enye about presidential candidate. It would rather be about party na ahoɔden and party ma ahoɔden. Party ma so ahoɔden gyina akwanya yɛde bɛma party ma ɔmɔmɔtumi gyina wɔn nan so. Sɛ party ma adwuma ɛkɔ yie, party ma ɔmadesua asɛm kɔ yie, party ma welfare asɛm kɔ yie, na grassroots no ayɛ okay a megidi yie sɛ nya yɛbɛyɛ bia na nkunimdie bɛba.
Hello, 101.5 FM.